The best washing machines under $20,000 in 2025 will not only offer convenience but also save time, energy, and give your clothes the care they deserve. Doing laundry doesn't have to feel like a never-ending task, especially when you've got the right washing machine by your side. If you're hunting for the best washing machines under $20,000 in 2025, you're in for a treat. This budget-friendly range offers powerful features, smart functions, and faster wash cycles that cut down on time and energy use without compromising on fabric care. Many of the models in this price bracket now come with advanced features like multiple wash programs, energy-efficient motors, and quick-dry options, making them ideal for busy homes. And yes, the good news? You don't need to spend a fortune to bring home performance and reliability. Do machines under $20,000 last long and require low maintenance? Washing machines in this price range from trusted brands like LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, and IFB are built to last. With proper care, like avoiding overloads, using the right detergent, and cleaning filters regularly, they can easily serve you for 7 to 10 years. Most models come with at least a 2-year comprehensive warranty and extended motor warranties. Regular servicing and following the manufacturer's guidelines can further extend the life of your washer. So, a machine under 20,000 rupees can be reliable, low maintenance, and cost-effective in the long run. So what factors should you consider before buying a washing machine under 20,000 rupees in 2025? First, think about the type of machine. In this budget, top-load fully automatic machines are more common and offer better features. Front-load options exist too, but they may have fewer features. Next, consider the capacity. Pick a capacity based on your family size. A 6 to 6.5 kilogram machine suits singles or couples, while a 7 to 8 kilogram machine is ideal for small families. Remember, more capacity means a higher price, so balance your needs. Wash programs are another important factor. Look for machines that offer multiple wash cycles like normal, quick, gentle, and heavy. This adds versatility for different fabric types. Energy and water efficiency are crucial too. Check for energy-efficient motors, B-star ratings, and water-saving features. These help reduce electricity and water bills in the long run. Spin speed, measured in RPM, is also important. Higher spin speed, around 700 to 1000 RPM, means faster drying. This is especially useful during monsoons, or if you don't have a dryer. Lastly, consider build quality and warranty. Look for a strong, rust-proof body, a durable drum, preferably stainless steel, and at least a 2-year warranty on the product and 5 years on the motor. Can you get a fully automatic washing machine under 20,000 rupees in 2025? Yes, you can. Several brands offer fully automatic washing machines in this price range, especially top-load models. These machines come with features like multiple wash programs, delay start, and quick wash. They are ideal for people looking for convenience at an affordable price. While front-load machines are generally priced higher, you might still find basic models on discount during sales. Fully automatic washers under 20,000 rupees handle everything, from filling water to drying, without manual intervention, making them a practical option for busy households or those switching from semi-automatic models. Which type is better in this budget, top-load or front-load? In this budget, top-load machines are more widely available and offer better features. They are easier to use, especially for elderly users, and don't require bending down. Front-load machines offer superior cleaning, better water efficiency, and gentle fabric care. But under 20,000 rupees, options are limited and basic. If cleaning quality is your top priority, a basic front-load could be worth stretching your budget. But for everyday ease, a top-load fully automatic washing machine under 20,000 rupees offers great value with decent performance, low maintenance, and faster cycles. Samsung brings powerful and efficient washing with its 8-kilogram fully automatic top-load washing machine. It comes with eco-bubble and bubble storm technology that delivers a deep and gentle clean while saving energy. With a 5-star energy rating and digital inverter motor, it's one of the best washing machines under 20,000 in 2025. The machine supports multiple wash programs, a strong 700 RPM motor, and is ideal for large families seeking low-maintenance, power-saving laundry solutions. Specifications: capacity 8 kilograms, energy rating 5 stars, motor digital inverter with 700 RPM, Wash program 6, including quick wash and jeans. Drum type, diamond drum with dual storm pulsator. Reasons to buy, energy efficient with long motor warranty. Comes with child lock and rust-proof body. Reasons to avoid, no inbuilt heater for hot water wash. Top load may not be as water efficient as front load. What are buyers saying on Amazon? Buyers say this compact machine suits 3 to 4 people, works silently, but washing performance and water intake issues vary among users. Why choose this product? You should choose this product because it balances powerful washing, energy savings, and durability under a budget. LG 7 kilograms 5-star. Smart inverter technology fully automatic top-load washing machine. This LG fully automatic washing machine is one of the best washing machines under $20,000 in 2025. It offers an efficient smart inverter motor, 5-star energy rating and turbo drum for powerful cleaning. The 7 kg capacity suits small to mid-sized families. Features like auto pre-wash, LED display, smart diagnosis, and 8 wash programs make it user-friendly. It's a reliable, low-noise and energy-saving solution for everyday washing, perfect for those looking for a compact yet powerful machine. Specifications. Capacity is 7 kg, energy rating is 5-star, 0.0088 kWh per kilogram per cycle. Spin speed is 740 RPM. There are 8 wash programs including gentle, strong and tub clean, and the display is LED with cycle status and hard buttons. Reasons to buy. The smart inverter saves up to 36% energy, and there are advanced features like auto restart and smart diagnosis. Reasons to avoid. There is no built-in heater for hot washes, and water consumption is higher than front-load models. What are buyers saying on Amazon? Buyers find it affordable, quiet, and easy to use, but opinions vary on wash quality, build, and installation service speed. Why choose this product? You should choose this product because it blends energy savings with smart features and deep cleaning at an affordable price. Samsung 7 kilograms Eco Bubble Technology. Digital inverter motor soft closing door fully automatic top-load washing machine. The Samsung Eco Bubble top-load washing machine is a reliable pick under 20,000 rupees for families of 3 to 4. It features Eco Bubble technology for deeper cleaning even in cold water, a digital inverter motor for long-lasting performance and a rust-proof body. With 9 wash programs, a soft closing door and 700 RPM speed, it ensures clean, quick and gentle laundry care while being energy efficient and quiet in operation. Specifications. Capacity is 7 kg, energy rating is 5-star, spin speed is 700 RPM. There are 9 wash programs including Quick Wash Delicates, Eco Tub Clean and Jeans, and the display is red LED with touch panel. Reasons to buy. There is a 20-year motor warranty, Eco Bubble and dual storm technology for better cleaning and a rust-proof and stylish design in lavender gray. Reasons to avoid. The plastic outer body though rust-proof and no hot water wash option. What are buyers saying on Amazon? Buyers appreciate the quiet, user-friendly design and efficiency, but some report motor issues, slow washing and high water consumption. Why choose this product? This is a great option for anyone looking for a durable, low-maintenance machine with smart cleaning technologies and energy savings in a sleek and modern design. Whirlpool 7 kilograms Magic Clean, 5-star, fully automatic top-load washing machine gray. This Whirlpool washing machine is perfect for small to medium-sized families looking for an efficient yet affordable washing solution. With its 7 kg capacity, it combines energy efficiency, 5-star rating, and advanced features such as Magic Clean, ZPF technology, and Smart Sensor. The machine ensures thorough cleaning with 12 wash programs including Eco Wash, Stain Wash, and Express Wash, making laundry a breeze. Specifications. Capacity is 7 kg, energy rating is 5-star, spin speed is 740 RPM. There are 12 wash programs including Heavy, Woolens, Eco Wash, and Aquastore. The body is stainless steel drum, and additional features include Magic Clean, ZPF technology, Delay Wash, and Express Wash. Reasons to buy: Magic Clean and Smart Sensor for effective cleaning, and 12 wash programs to suit various needs. Reasons to avoid: only 740 RPM speed, which could be slower compared to higher speed models, and the plastic body, though rust resistant. What are buyers saying on Amazon? Buyers find it well built and easy to use, but reviews are mixed on wash quality, noise, and installation experiences. Why choose this product? Ideal for budget-conscious users, this machine offers a great balance of energy efficiency and functionality, with features that address all your laundry needs while keeping the noise level low. Samsung 7 kilograms, fully automatic top-load washing machine. This Samsung washing machine is a great choice for small to medium-sized families. With a 7 kg capacity, it offers a 3-star energy rating, making it an efficient option for households. Featuring a diamond drum and a range of wash programs including Quick Wash and Eco Tub Clean, it ensures effective cleaning while saving time and water. The inverter technology helps in reducing energy consumption, and the built-in magic filter provides better filtration. Specifications: capacity is 7 kg, energy rating is 3-star, spin speed is 680 RPM, there are 6 wash programs, and the drum material is stainless steel. Reasons to buy: it is affordable with good energy efficiency, and the magic filter keeps laundry clean and avoids drainage blockages. Reasons to avoid: the 680 RPM speed might not be as fast as higher-end models, and there are limited wash programs compared to other fully automatic models. What are buyers saying on Amazon? Buyers find it reliable, easy to use, and efficient, but installation and water drainage experiences vary among users. Why choose this product? You should choose this product because it offers reliable performance, energy efficiency, and great wash programs at an affordable price.